Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're learning English, today's video is super important, so you'll want to stick around. We're diving into irregular verbs. I know, the word irregular might sound a little scary, but I promise to make it simple, easy, and even fun. Irregular verbs are everywhere in English. You hear them in conversations, movies, and songs every single day. Mastering them will make your English sound much more natural. Ready? Let's get started. First things first. What exactly is an irregular verb? Well, in English, most verbs are regular. To talk about the past, you just add an ed at the end. For example, play becomes played and walk becomes walked. Easy, right? But irregular verbs are the rebels of the English language. They don't follow this simple ed rule. Instead, they change in their own special ways. For example, the passive go isn't goed, it's went. And the past of eat isn't eated, it's ate. See how they're different? They break the rules, and that's what makes them irregular. Don't worry, you don't need to memorize a giant list all at once. The key is to start with the most common ones. We're going to practice a few together right now. I'll say the verb in its three forms: the present, the simple past, and the past participle. Just listen carefully and then repeat after me. This is the best way to get them into your memory. Let's go. First up is be. Be, was or were, been. Again, be, was or were, been. Next, go, went, gone. Your turn, go, went, gone. How about eat? Eat, ate, eat. Let's hear you. Eat, eat, eat. A very common one. See, saw, seen. Repeat. See, saw, seen. And do, did, done. One more time. Do, did, done. Let's try have. Have. It's the same for the past forms. Have, had, and make, made. Again, make, made. Here's another. Take, took, taken. Your turn. Take, took, taken. Next is come. Came, come. Notice the first and last forms are the same. Come, came, come. Last one for now. Get, gotten. Or sometimes you'll just hear got, gotten. Fantastic job. Just practicing like that for a few minutes every day will make a huge difference. Now, let's see how these verbs look in real sentences. It's one thing to know the words, but it's another to use them. For example, you wouldn't say, I go to school yesterday. You need the past tense. You'd say, I went to school yesterday. Here are a few more examples. She ate breakfast this morning. We saw a great movie last night. My friend made a delicious cake for my birthday. They took a beautiful picture by the ocean. It's starting to make sense, right? You just pick the correct form of the verb to talk about the past. Okay, are you ready for a little challenge? I'm going to tell you a very short story. Your mission is to listen carefully for all the irregular verbs we just practiced. Let's see how many you can spot. Here's a story. Yesterday was a beautiful day. I woke up early and got out of bed. I went to the kitchen and made some coffee. I ate a big breakfast. Then I saw my friend Maria. We had a great conversation and took a walk in the park. We came home in the afternoon. It was a perfect day. How did you do? Did you hear them? We had was woke, got, went, made, ate, saw, had, took, and came. If you understood that story, you are already making amazing progress in your English learning journey. Before we finish, I want to leave you with some important advice. Please do not feel like you need to learn all 180 irregular verbs tonight. That's a recipe for feeling overwhelmed. Instead, focus on learning just 3 to 5 new verbs each day. Write them down, say them out loud, and try to make your own sentences. The most important thing is to be consistent. Practice a little every day. Listen for them when you watch English movies and speak without being afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. You are doing an incredible job just by being here and trying. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope this lesson was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. And do you forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss our next lesson. Share it with a friend who is also learning English. See you in the next video.